Good evening, my name is Amanda Barker, and as I'm first tonight, hopefully I can make a good impression for my cohort. Although my background is in GIS and water resource management, I am also involved in music education, including as a member of Kappa Kappa Psi, the band service fraternity. I made this app to digitize routine aspects of specifically music classrooms, allowing teachers to focus on ensemble performance. The app is centered around teachers creating classrooms to which students register and interact with the gamified learning portions of the app, along with an instrument inventory system and group functionality. In the interest of time, I'll be focusing on the more sexy portions of my app, but come see me if you'd like to talk about the other things I've done. Listening surveys are used to increase breadth of musical exposure. Using jQuery, I implemented a filterable table by column. The music itself is called with Ajax from the YouTube API, allowing teachers to add surveys easily to the system and reduce database size. Another way to access pieces is through this D3 composer timeline I made using the brush and interval features. The chart is zoomable, and the color is attached using a country attribute. The intervals auto-sort to find the smallest possible configuration. I also added a time limiter to the present, allowing modern-day composers to be accurately reflected. By clicking the link attached to the text and interval, users can access composer profiles which display database attributes, call the Wikipedia API for a short biography, and show all available surveys. Surveys display in an iframe player I modified to limit student controls. I used a JavaScript listener to ensure students can only submit when the media is finished. A feature to help students practice is this JavaScript tuner. I ended up writing this twice to achieve its desired reliability. I pushed microphone values from the HTML web audio kit through a logarithmic formula coupled with a sampling algorithm to smooth the rendered wave. The sampling algorithm is really the big thing, buffering to allow a consistent note to be found. Frequency distance from the desired note is also displayed. One of the gamified aspects is the sight reading game rendered using the VexFlow library. Keyboard inputs are compared to correct answers, and CSS is used with timers to render motion moving up for correct and down for incorrect. Tries can be used to protect against keyboard bombing users. Finally, combining these two is a scale tester. Notes are detected and upon ending compared to the sequence, and the note changes color to give the user feedback. Despite needing to re-render the stuff every time, the object-oriented nature of VexFlow facilitates this use. I'd love to talk more about my app with you later, especially what I didn't get to show. Have a great evening.